beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, Nigeria in Germany. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel to help us grow the channel. And for all my returning subscribers, I welcome you back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've created content for you guys, and most of you must have thinking that will be thinking that this channel is no longer exist. It does exist. It's just some family and work ethics that is making me not to be coming online regularly. But now I promise you I'll be giving you content back to back. I will try my possible best to keep up to date, and do not fail to give me updates on what you want me to talk about on this channel. But today we'll be talking about the West African Jollof competition. Who owns Jollof and who cook the best Jollof in West Africa? As you all know, Ghana always seems to be the only country in Africa to say that they have the best jollof. They don't even give regards to other people's jollof, and they have not even tasted any other country's jollof. They just believe in their own mind that Ghana jollof is the best. When they keep telling them that Ghana jollof is not the best, they keep arguing. And if it comes to any kind of argument, before you say anything, they say, oh, jollof, who cooks the best jollof? So today we are going to be talking about who cooks the best jollof. And not just who cook the best jollof, where they hosted this competition made by Onga. And Onga is a food spice company that does a lot of seasoning for making food, and especially jollof. So now this competition is being held in Ghana, and most of the judges, they are all Ghanaians. So talk about how it went down. I will be showing videos of how everything went down, the countries that participated on this particular event. But before we dive into the main videos, let me show you how Ghanaians hype their jollof and how Nigerians presented their jollof in different style.
Especially the pepper and the local spices like the bay leaf and the natural spices. But the other one, even though there are spices inside, you won't taste it as compared to this one.
The other one is a bit oily. And also, you don't really feel the spices. The taste is a little bit down. But this one, you feel everything. The spices, the natural spice.
Like me more medium, any I want to see them do 12. When you're more of me more medium. Yeah. To see if you feel like without. Okay. It's been out of 5 months, I think they're about 4.
So this we recipe no, what taste spices no, and I'm more so. It's more like a crispy mommy.
Me personally, at home we like to use natural spices. So I like the fact that you can really taste the natural spices compared to the other one. And then the other one, it was too much oil.
So guys, that's how Ghanaians crave for their jollof and how they eat their jollof. And I just show you that video just for a reason. And let me show you how Nigerians crave and how Nigerians present their own jollof anywhere they go. They don't fail. We have different kind of jollof. What we tell Ghanaians that Nigerian jollof is varies and they are the best. They won't believe. Well, take a time and watch this video of how Nigerians enjoy jollof.
Hi, my name is Micah. I brought Suya Jollof Rice.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Stephen. I brought coconut jollof rice.
Hey, my name is Mabel. I brought filet jollof rice.
Hi, my name is Debola and I brought plain jollof rice and tea.
Hi, I'm Oladuni and I brought chicken, turkey, and sauteed vegetables.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Mabel. And here is your coleslaw and fried dodo.
Hi, I'm Adams. I brought the vegetable jollof rice and peppered wings and a bottle of wine.
Hello, my name is Theosi and I brought moi moi.
My name is Seth Mas. I came with the games.
So you see, guys, when Nigeria, wherever they go, they represent themselves very well with their jollof rice. We don't joke about jollof rice, but we don't come to your faces and letting you know that the jollof rice is bad or whatever. It is Ghanaians that are bringing this competition of who cook the best jollof rice. Even when they tell them that jollof is not that good, even the grain of rice they use, it's not our style. They are just accustomed to that thing. So fine, we are not angry about it. Be accustomed to your thing. They give respect to who respect is being due. And now let's dive into today's real discussion, because this competition really blew everyone's mind. The Ghanaians were being beaten in their own turf, and the judges were Ghanaians. So there's no competition, there's no debate anymore. Everybody should just shh, because Nigeria cook the best jollof rice. In everything we do, we put our joy, our excitement into cooking jollof rice, especially the one that you use for burial and ceremonies. Man, don't go there. So now let me show you the pre event video being made by Onga and the kind of advertisement to this challenge. So sit back and watch.
Ghana jollof no sweet now. Everything now so egg and shito, egg and shito. And for Senegalese jollof, una too do. Una come pack everything, put inside. Now wow. Onga na my secret weapon. With Onga, my jollof is unbeatable.
Hey Nigerians, Mokasa. You guys brag too much. Our jollof is not white rice and ketchup. Our jollof is perfume. Asia, Noya Kono, Oye Sochi. Nakanzo, tell you don't go there. With Onga as my helping hand, I, Akusiatist, will cook the best jollof.
Aduna bi yep xam nañ ne ñun ñoo fi dàqa togg jollof ku ñu àndal di ko compétit ñun ñoo lay gagné. My Onga jollof is the best.
Our jollof is like our coupe de Cali, smooth, spicy, and full of vibe. Our secret, Onga. Onga Donengu, exceptional and not jollof. We have already won it. When I'm the jollof food, no pressure. Wake
camp and jollof, Saloma need to talk boku because we know say now we get the best jollof. Because we own jollof is soak, is sweet. I need to talk boku. When I can August 23, when I can say salon jollof, then we left all see now because we know say I will get for win this competition.
In Niger, we don't shout. We cook and win. And when we add Onga, game over.
So guys, you see for yourself, that was a warm-up advert to the competition, and all the ladies, I can tell you, they were really ready for this competition. It was not just an ordinary competition, it was being attended with full zeal and determination to win, as you can see. And all the women really put up a show, and for me, I would say the Nigerian woman really put up a real show. For you guys listening and watching up to this point, who do you think killed this advert? Please kindly drop your comments on the comment section. Let us discuss who really killed this advert on this video, so we can discuss about it. The Ghana woman was like, Nigeria, so they brag. Well, we need to brag. We are just saying the truth. So now let me show you videos of the participants, and let me show you how Nigeria won the competition. Sit back and relax.
Have two heavy titans here, Sierra Leone versus Ghana. Who do you think is going to win this competition?
Viewers, let's watch this video.
There's something about Ghanaian jollof. So why do you think the others left their countries and they are even here? Like Ghana is the home of jollof. Like,
she has a big point.
Oh, Ghana jollof to the whole world. This is not a debate. Like, it's so obvious. Ghana is taking it. It's not something we should even compare. It's like the prize is ours. Like we are the king of jollof.
We are coming from our country to come and win in your country. That's what we want to do. We want to prove our point to you that we have the best jollof.
And to do the presentation, we have Mr. Yensu, the digital leader from Ghana.
They started it, but it seems another country.
When our partners, congratulations, Senegal.
And on that note, we have a very beautiful African beauty representing Niger. Make some noise for Yasmina.
Niger in the building.
In the house.
DJ music, give them something for them.
They say they have something.
So this guy.
Are we doing church or we are doing jollof? God, I beg you. When I go to Tinubu, go reach this country now. Settle this problem. Niger, Ghana, this is where Niger is active. Senegal! No response. And they say that they get the jollof. Senegal!
2025 on the Jollof Battle West Africa edition is Nigeria!
So guys, as you can see for yourself, it is finally settled. As you can see, that's how Nigeria went to Ghana and defeated them in their own backyard to cook the best jollof rice ever in West Africa. And this is not church on church matter, this is reality. When we tell you guys that Nigeria cooks, Nigeria don't play with their food. You can be joking with us with our infrastructure, kind of our government, especially before you say anything, they say you don't have light. The Ghanaians always have something to sneak up attack to tell you. They always want to mess with you with your hardship or your problem. But in any way, in every ramification, Nigeria and Ghanaians are not mates. Ghana is brothers to Nigeria, our regional sister. So give respect where respect is due. We appreciate you as our sibling, but be warned, Nigeria cooks the best jollof rice. Nigeria is giant of Africa. And for those of you that's watched up to this point, thank you for watching. And please click the subscription button and please drop your comment about this video. Peace out.
Peppered wings and a bottle of wine.